Welcome to our inside stateroom on the Norwegian Dawn. Let's take a walk through the space so you can see what it really looks like. You'll see the two twin beds just inside. They can be pushed together into a queen setup if you prefer. Above is a pull-down bunk, which stays closed when it's not needed. A great option if you're traveling with family or friends. Over at the TV area, there's a small shelf above for a few personal items. The TV itself has basic channels and ship information. You can check for updates on activities and port times. Each nightstand has a little storage space, and there's a good amount of room under both beds for suitcases or large bags. Always nice to get those things out of the way. Turning back toward the door, you'll find the desk, the mirror area. The hair dryer is mounted next to the desk, and this is also where two of the cabin's three outlets are located. Each outlet is a different type, one US, one UK, and one European. So if you plan to plug in more than one thing at a time, it's worth bringing an adapter. The third outlet is tucked inside one of the nearby cubbies, though you won't see it in this video. Next is a cupboard that hides the mini fridge, with a cubby above and below it. The below one is where they hide the electrical socket that I talked about earlier. Underneath that are three drawers, which I've pulled out so you can get a sense of the storage space. On the other side of the closet, there are two more cubbies. One holds the life jackets, but they can be moved if needed. And there's also a small cupboard with a small safe for passports and small valuables. The main closet offers a hanging area filled with plenty of hangers. There's also side shelves and two pull-down shelves for extra storage. It's compact, but it makes good use of the space. Heading into the bathroom, you'll see the toilet area first. Then you can check out the sink with a bit of counter and cabinet space, but not very much. Finally, the shower. It's not large, but it's clean and functional. Just what you need after a day on board exploring port. While there's not a lot of storage, it is a nice setup with the three separate areas. And that's the full look at our inside stateroom on the Norwegian Dawn. It's simple, comfortable, and it makes the most of space available. If you found this room tour helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe for more travel and cruise content, and let me know in the comments. Would you book an inside stateroom, or do you prefer an ocean view or a balcony?